The daiquiri really is a fantastic cocktail, but it's all about that ratio between the lime juice, the sugar and the rum. Now people say, Andy, what is the best ratio of these ingredients? Well, for me, I know what I like, but I encourage you to find out what you like. So I'm going to show you today the ratio that I like to make, but I'd invite you to mess around with your recipe at home. So change the ingredients a little bit, add some more lime, add some more sugar, add some more rum, why not? Until you find the exact balance the way you want it. I mean, the upside to this, of course, is that you're gonna have to make several daiquiris and try them all. Oh well, you know, that's science for you, but I'm gonna show you how I make mine, but please find out the way you like to make it by making your own at home.